Infonomi's a Honor 9A, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So, to get started, you'll need to grab one of these, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box. Or you could also use a paper clip straighten on one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now once you have one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device, as you can see right here. Push the pin in and the tray pops out, enough for you to be able to pull it out. And on the tray you have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. Now in terms of a SIM card, you can occupy whichever slot you want, it doesn't really matter. And put it back into the device and it should start working automatically. And there we go, there is the pin for the SIM card. Now additionally, just because this is Huawei and it's absolutely stupid, it changed the language of the device to Polish because that's the SIM card that I put in, completely disregarding and giving 0 Fs about the language that you have chosen throughout the setup process. So if you're like me and you're right now really pissed off about this and you want to change it back to your desired language, well then you need to basically guess where the language settings are, because it's now in a completely different language. So just for the people that have problems with this, what you need to do is tap on the settings, which is this gear icon right here. From there scroll all the way down to, I believe it's going to be system right here, so the second last option with the phone with the gear icon. And in here we're going to have language, which is a third option from the top, as you can see 1, 2, 3 right here. And first option from the top, language and region, and then select add language, which is the text, the blue text, second one basically. And now simply find your language that you had it most likely set to before and get the damn language back. Select change, which is the option on the right side, and here we go, we're back where we actually started. Thanks Huawei. So anyway, that's how you insert SIM and SD card into the device, and also deal with the stupidity of Huawei with their language change for the SIM card. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.